Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of this. I forgot the gentleman also asked how you could make the young man on the ATV kind of stand out more when it would be printed on a T-shirt, make him kind of pop. Well, one thing you do is select your flag. You go up to your transparency tool, and you get this little. It's kind of weird that the transparency slider is kind of transparent. But if you'll grab the slide bar and just kind of move it, it's going to fade out the flag, and then you could play around with, and it really does make the young man pop out. If you look at that compared to that, and then you would just adjust it to whatever you think needed to be. I don't know anything about printing, but I don't know if that's going to print like it looks like on the screen or what, but you could just kind of play around with it to see what you think. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.